Hello everyone. My research topic is about assistive technology for the elderly. For this particular assignment, I created a playlist in my YouTube channel which is entitled Resources. I picked 3 video resources. First, from TED Talk, which addressed about the concern of a family member for their aging loved ones. This video focused on using technology like sensors to monitor the changes in normal routines of the elderly. The second video is from UBS channel, which talked about the impact of artificial intelligence or AI in healthcare and while becoming older. Last but not least, the third video is from Smart Home 101 that highlights different assisted devices that will keep the elderly safe and maintain their dignity intact. The resources I would use for my research project are a combination of scholarly journal articles and website articles because they are more accessible and current and relevant to my chosen project. The overall goal of my research topic is to cover the different kinds of novel technology that will enhance the ability of the elderly to live independently and improve their quality of life. I am expecting that I will be able to find enough and valid resources for my project, and this is the topic that I always want to explore and write about.